Hi, Scott Dolan here at MarineMax in Dallas, and we're going to take a look at a new model for us, the Sea Ray SPX 23 in an outboard version. So, nice big open bow, molded storage underneath both sides of the bow. There's also in-floor storage up in the bow. Moving back to the cockpit, boat does have a pump out head. Plenty of storage down in there for covers, life jackets, all of all the other stuff you're going to be bringing out with you. Upgraded Fusion stereo with 4 speakers plus a subwoofer and amp. Of course, here's your Fusion head unit. It's Bluetooth compatible. Nice in-dash SimRad unit, so that's going to give you downscan sonar, chart plotting, GPS. There is a nice in-floor ski locker, plenty of room for your noodles, your floats, water skis, wakeboards, all that kind of stuff. Flip up bolster seat if you want to sit up nice and high, see over top of the windshield, or if you want to sit down, and look through the windshield, you have a lower seat. This does have the convertible flip-flop backrest on the companion side. So if you want to flip the seat forward and use this as a rear-facing spotter seat, certainly that's what it's built for. Nice built-in cooler underneath the driver's side. Lift-out cooler on this side. And of course, one of the nice things about the outboard powered boats is by removing a V6 from the back, you just end up with a ton of storage back here. So plenty of room for extra life jackets, covers, if you want to deflate your tube to take it with you. Nice walk-through transom. Full width swim pad, and of course this one was ordered with a white Mercury 250 on it, which is the new V8 powered 250 also. So super nice boat. We're excited to have it here at the show, or here at this store. We're real excited to show it to you also. So if you got any questions about this or any of the other boats we have, pick up the phone and give us a call. Thanks a lot. We look forward to talking to you.